Caddens Corner, Sydney's newest DC fast charger is right here. We have two AC chargers, 22 kilowatts each. Type 2, bingo and cable unfortunately. Over here we have 50 kilowatts, CCS2 and Chetamo plug installed by Evie Networks. The nearest charger is Sydney Olympic Park or Lithgow. So right here at the base of the mountains, great. You got plenty of shopping, you got cafes, you got Woolworths, you got sushi bars, you can eat raw fish, cooked fish, chicken shop, all sorts of things. So we're here today anyway, it's open day for the new shopping centre. We're here testing with Evie and running these machines through the paces.
That it needs a deactivation signal from the authenticator. Right. So the RFID you tap off, you can stop and pull it out.
And this wasn't sending a stop signal, and that's why it was locking
because they
the
don't
cable.
want someone to come up and say,
stop you, walk away.
I'll take the charge. Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
They've got to get out. Does that mean they can?
Plug the car in. Go to your app. Select the charger. Select the charger that you want at the station. Hit begin charge. Select the side that you want. Hit next. The green light comes on. And then you can press the green light, open the door. Plug the charger in. And there we go, it started.
Easy.
Great, your session's underway.
And a big shout out to Zan from Main Brace Constructions and of course guys from Evie Networks for building this awesome EV charging infrastructure. It's great to meet you all. And being in Western Sydney in a perfect location for charger, I look forward to meeting all of you out here while charging and shopping in Western Sydney. So take care everybody and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.